How to enable or disable display file icon on thumbnails in Windows 11. By default, File Explorer overlays file type icons on top of thumbnail previews. It's handy for spotting file types at a glance, but if you prefer a cleaner, distraction-free look, especially in media-heavy, demo, or design-focused environments, you might want to turn it off. In this video, we'll show you 4 ways to enable or disable this setting, using File Explorer, Registry Editor, PowerShell, and .reg files. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub for more tech content like this. How to manage File Explorer thumbnail icons. Method 1. File Explorer. Let's start with the easiest option, right inside File Explorer. This method is best for individual users who just want to adjust their own settings. Press Window plus E to open File Explorer. Click the 3-dot menu in the toolbar, then select Options. In the Folder Options window, go to the View tab. Find Display File Icon on Thumbnails. Check the box to show icons, or uncheck it to hide them. Click Apply, then OK. Method 2. Registry Editor. This is a great option for IT pros or admins who want to enforce the setting for a specific user. Keep in mind that if you're editing for another user, you'll need admin rights and must load their user hive. Press Window plus R and type regedit to open the registry. Navigate to this path. Find or create a D-word 32-bit value named Show Type Overlay. Set the value to 1 to enable file type overlays, or 0 to disable it. Close the registry editor and restart File Explorer. Method 3. PowerShell. If you prefer automation or are managing multiple devices, PowerShell is the way to go. This method is ideal for RMM, post-deployment scripts, or custom provisioning setups. Here's how. To disable icon overlays, use this script. Alternatively, use this to enable it. For enterprise use, you can loop through user SIDs under HKU or deploy this per user through your RMM platform. Method 4. .reg files. .reg files are perfect if you're looking for one-click deployment or are working in an offline environment. Here's the script to disable file icons on thumbnails. To enable file icons, use save either version as a .reg file, double-click to merge, and then restart File Explorer to see the change. The Display File Icon on Thumbnails option in Windows 11 is a deceptively small File Explorer setting, but it can greatly impact the user experience. If you're just tweaking your personal setup, the File Explorer option is the quickest route. For IT admins managing fleets of systems, Registry or PowerShell methods give you full control and automation potential. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to enable or disable display file icon on thumbnails in Windows 11, linked in the description below. Be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this.